What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the Contractor's Choice. I think they should change this to Cheap Contractor's Choice. You guys, I just wanted some contractor bags, and to be honest with y'all, I was just looking at the price and the amount. I wasn't really looking at the thickness, you guys. So I'll take the L on this one. I'll take the L on this one. I can use these bags just for general house purposes anyway. But let me explain to y'all on why you should not get this if you a contractor. This is not thick enough for you, okay? This is 1 mil thickness. 1 mil thickness. Now the Contractor's Choice, the other brand that's in Lowe's, and I think Husky got one in Home Depot. Those ones are 3 mil. Yes, it's more expensive. You only get 20 bags or something like that for like $20 something, but it will save you the hassle because these will rip. All right, now it says tear resistant, but guess what? It's just tear resistant, not tear proof, okay? Stuff could be water resistant, but not waterproof. Let me show you. This here is cardboard. Cardboard, you guys, all right? I'm doing some cleaning up. Just got done fixing my seat of my truck, and yeah. So I'm doing some cleaning up. I ran out of the contractor bags. I actually had the good contractor bags, but I went cheap on this. So $17, you get 40 bags, but this is still good if you're not putting, you know, some heavy duty stuff in here. I'm actually throwing boxes of like oil containers and stuff like that, and all types of stuff, plastic. Stuff that contractors actually put in here. Now, one thing they advertise on this box is paint cans. So basically they saying if you're a contractor, you can put all this stuff in here. Paint cans, ropes, buckets, and all types of junk that contractors put in their trash can. All right, but once again, yeah, even a better picture of it right here. So I'm recommending you not to put all that stuff in there because it will tear, okay? Just because it says tear resistant on it don't mean that it won't tear. Once again, 1 mil thickness. Like I could literally pull it out like that. So spend a little bit more, get the better one if you are a contractor, okay? Contractors beware. Whoever put this up here lied. This is not the Contractor's Choice. This is the Cheap Contractor's Choice. That will be it with this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.